Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove unwanted objects from your photos or videos in CapCut PC. So copy and paste your photo or video, and then I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm only going to mask this bit here. And what I'm going to do once I've done that is I'm actually going to move it to the left side. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. And then from here, you are just going to go to mask and you're going to feather it out a little bit. It is a little bit better if you have more surface area than this because I don't really have a lot. So make sure you feather it out to blend it even more with the background. But again, I don't have a lot of surface area for this one. That's why the one on the right got affected a little bit. You can also, I guess, kind of like replace that. As you can see, it looks like they have like two on the same color now because I use the mask to kind of like overlay it. But yeah, again, it is a little bit better if you have a better surface area because I only had like a small part and this will get affected by it. So yeah, just remember that. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!